Today, we're diving into the Dreame L60 Ultra FE, a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for busy households. This model boasts 30,000 PA suction and advanced anti-tangle tech, aiming for near-flagship cleaning automation. It's built for pet-heavy homes with mixed floors. Check the link in the description for the best price. This robot's hardware targets comprehensive floor cleaning. 30,000 Pascal suction gives this robot serious cleaning power, easily picking up debris on various floor types. The unique cutting brush directly prevents long hair from tangling, making it ideal for homes with shedding pets. Its extending arms reach deep into corners and along baseboards, ensuring excellent coverage right up to the edges. The smart Pathfinder navigation creates efficient cleaning paths, ensuring thorough coverage of your entire home. The Dreame L60 Ultra FE delivers robust performance, efficiently tackling common household challenges from significant dirt to pet hair and tricky edges. Assessing if the cost aligns with its advanced features. The sheer power and feature set are exceptionally strong, providing outstanding cleaning capabilities for a premium robot. With its powerful suction and specialized anti-tangle brush, this robot is particularly well-suited for pet-heavy households. The comprehensive dock automation significantly reduces daily maintenance tasks, saving you time and effort. It holds its own against top competitors, offering a compelling package of features and performance for its price point. The Dreame L60 Ultra FE delivers significant value, especially for pet owners, with its high-end performance and automated dock. Understanding potential challenges and maintenance points. The advanced dock, with its hot water wash and drying, introduces several components that require periodic cleaning and attention. While smart, it's still advisable to remove small items and cords from its path to prevent potential hang-ups. The advanced mapping and features depend on consistent app and firmware updates to ensure smooth, reliable operation. Dreame provides extensive official support and readily available accessories, offering good confidence in long-term ownership. While generally robust, buyers should be aware of the dock's complexity and the ongoing need for some manual attention. The Dreame L60 Ultra FE stands out as one of the strongest premium robot vacuums available. It's best for busy pet owners who need powerful vacuuming and automated mopping, handling tough messes with ease. However, avoid it if you prefer a compact, simple robot or dislike the maintenance of water-based docks. Its main strength lies in its outstanding suction and anti-tangle cleaning with full automation, while the large, mechanically complex station is its primary trade-off. This is a strong buy,